everyone, my name is Cynthia, one of the library assistants at the Valencia College West Campus Library. For today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to access the research workshops. Use the link in our bio under the tab Research Workshop. Fill out the course enrollment survey with your name, VID, specify if you are a student or faculty. If you are a student, select which class you're using the Library Canvas course for and your professor's name. For this example, the student does not have a specific course they are using the workshop for. Select the topics you're interested in, exploring, and click on Submit. Once you submit your survey, you will be enrolled into the Canvas course. On your dashboard, select Research Workshops. You can select from a live workshop if there are any available through Zoom, on-demand workshops, or look at the list of workshop badges. On Live Workshop, you can select if there are any current sessions or look at past session recordings. The on-demand workshops are self-paced courses on various topics that you can take, such as Introduction to APA, How to Write Research Paper, and much more. The workshop badges provides a chart that contains a list of course badges and what is needed to earn them. A record of your badges can be found on the link titled here or by clicking on the badges linked in the course menu. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us or use the service Ask a Librarian.